Hi students, in this exercise we will learn how to add break lines in civil 3D surface for roads and ditch features. You can download this drawing from the description, then you can open this drawing. This drawing actually is similar to the drawing which we used in the previous exercise. It contains a surface created with points group. It also contains 3D survey figures without the survey database. We will have to add the figures conventionally, meaning through the break lines branch of the surface. You can inspect the drawing by panning and zooming along the line work, which you can see here. Notice that the TIN lines are not drawn along the figure, representing the edge of pavement, center line of the roads, flow line of ditches, and top of bank. So we will add break lines for these all feature of the road, center lines, edge of pavement, and the top of bank to add them in a surface as a break line. So you can examine your drawing before this exercise, and after this exercise you will get difference. Select and then right click one of the brown figures representing the top of bank. How can you get which is top of bank? You can see here, when you will hover your cursor on the line, it will show you style as a TB, which is top of bank. Just click on the line and then you can right click and select similar. All lines will be selected. Then in the prospector here under the surface, we want to add these all line in existing surface, which will existing surface, then expand to definition, and here we have break lines. Right click on the break lines and press add. Then here you can write the name for description like top of bank and press OK. You can leave all other settings. So now you can see these lines has been replaced with our TIN lines. So we will add break lines for the remaining features. The first one is DL, which is our flow line of ditch. We can hover our cursors to get which is our flow line. It is CL and it is our EP. We will add them also in our break lines. For now we need to find which is our DL, ditch flow line of the ditch. It is our DL. Right click and select similar. You can see many lines has been selected, and then go to same surface, existing surface, definition, and here break lines and add, and here you can write flow line of ditch. Press OK and it will add in our surface as a break lines. The next one is BD. Here this one is our BP. Select similar for all of them and go to again break lines. It should be in same surface which we are working. Then add and right here bottom of bank. Then we have center line of the road. select this line, and here select similar and go to Breaklines, add and write for the name simple line of road. Okay, then we have remaining edge of pavement. Just hover your cursor here and write EP. You will see EP and then right click to select similar for all edge of pavement line. Then go to add edge of pavement. Okay, leave all of them as it is, and it will take some time to update. Now you can zoom, extend, and notice the TIN lines are now running along the survey figures, now acting as break lines. As shown in this surface, we add break lines. We force the TIN lines to align with our survey figures lines, thus cleaning up the contours and making them follow the ridge line of the road center line, gutter lines and shoulder, as well as changes in grade around the small detention area which you can see here. Hope you like this video. For these type of useful videos, please stay with us.